कि न्यूरल नेटवर्क में बहुत सारा एस्पेक्ट्स होता है, क्या क्या एस्पेक्ट्स है इसके बारे में मैंने डिस्कस किया था। तो एक जनरल इमेज ड्रॉ करते हैं फॉर न्यूरल नेटवर्क, जिसमें हम देखेंगे कि ईच ऑफ दिस एस्पेक्ट्स लाइक प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, इनपुट आउटपुट, जो लाइंस होता है कैसे एक्चुअली काम करता है। तो सपोज दिस इज इट विजिबल? See whether it is visible or not.
So clearly visible.
Clearly visible. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Yes.
you can just sit there and also you can draw it. So you don't have to stand. So because while you
Yes.
stand,
Yes.
then your voice will be
Yeah, I
so
know. I know. That is why
far from the mic and
yeah. Yeah.
voice will not be clear. So
Yeah. So see, suppose this is a network where we have multiple inputs. Three inputs are there. Okay. Now, for this particular input, this input is coming from another network, and this network is similar networks, similar types of networks are there. From this network, this input is coming. That means this is the output of this network. Okay, and this network is suppose it is J. It is J, and this network is K. Okay, so here see what I mentioned last day. The processing unit. What is processing unit? This unit is processing unit. This unit is processing unit. The task of the processing unit is what are the tasks that processing unit will provide in the network? What are the tasks? The first task is it will take the input and it will perform some process. After that, it will generate an output. This is a very basic task. But along with that, it deals with some weights, right? So every input should have a weight, particular weight. Based on that, it will calculate or it will uh, 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 enable the function to make the activation or to make the network triggered. Okay, so the main purpose of this processing unit is to generate the output, and also it adjusts the weights. Okay, and in a network, suppose we have multiple processing units. Okay, and these processing units, in some time it may happen that this processing units, all these processing units may carry many, there are many units can carry out their computation at the same time. What does it mean? ये जो नोड है, ये जो यूनिट है, ये अपना जो कंप्यूटेशन कर रहा है, एट द सेम टाइम कुछ और भी नोड्स हो सकता है कि वो भी सेम टाइम में कंप्यूटेशन करे। तो इन अ नेटवर्क जितना भी यूनिट्स होता है, प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट्स होता है, एट द सेम टाइम inherently parallelly they can work. Actually they can do their computations. And
yes,
three parts, three unit, we can divide a network into three units. What I have mentioned in last class, that three units.
yes,
What are the three units? First unit is input unit, second one is output unit, and the middle unit is hidden layer or hidden unit. So this input unit, we indicate this input unit by I, and the output unit we indicate it using O, and the hidden unit we indicate it using H, that I have already mentioned. The purpose of the input unit is it receives data from the from outside. Okay, in a network, the input unit will receive data from outside. Suppose these are the processing units. Some input units are there. These are the input unit from outside it is taking. These are the input units, and these are the hidden units, and these are the output units. This output unit will give the result or the response to the outside of the network. Okay, and this unit, the internal unit, is called hidden unit. This unit is called hidden unit. Okay, this hidden unit, in hidden unit, it generates, it has lots of functions and all that things, and it generates the input and output, both the input and output generated by hidden unit, hidden processing unit. It will be inside the network. But in the case of output unit and the input unit is taking the taking data from the outside, and it is giving the output in the inside of the network. And similarly, the output unit is taking the input from the from inside of the network, and it is giving the output or giving the result to the outside of the network. Only the hidden layer, the units, processing units that are present in the hidden layer or the hidden units, we can say these units which can take input and output, it generates output, the signals remains within the neural network. Okay, and now we'll talk about the connections. Okay, what are the connections? These are the connections. Okay, from this network to this network, this is one connection. So how these connections are, we can denote this connection actually. So we know that in last day we talked about some propagation rule. What is propagation rule? Suppose for this unit, as this unit is k unit, for this unit propagation rule is sk. I have mentioned sk. Sk is a propagation rule, and this propagation rule is nothing but it is the summation of all the inputs multiplied with weights plus the bias, that is actually the external input. The external input, you can say this is an external input which is also called a bias, 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 or we can define it as theta, theta of k. For this unit, theta of k, theta k. Okay, so this is a bias or threshold value, you can write. This is also called external input. So this sk is nothing but it is the summation of all the inputs, summation of all the inputs multiplied with the their weights, particular individual weights. So here, see, for this input, as this unit is connected with another unit, for this input, see, this is j unit. For j unit, the output is y of j. Suppose the output is y of j, right? So this output is y of j, and particularly for this one, the this input connection or this interconnection, the weight is w j k. Okay, the weight is w j k, as it is from j to k. That is why w of j k. We can mention weight as w. We can identify it using this terminology, that is w for weights, and j k, that means it is from j to k. Okay, so this for this j unit, the in output is yj, and for it is the input of the processing unit k. Okay, now this processing unit, here we have propagation rule. This is the summation of the weight, the input multiplied with the weight. So we can write this sk is equals to summation of, sk is equals to summation of wjk, this is the weight, multiplied with yj, this is the input, yj, this is the input of this processing unit k, right? So at the time, some certain times will be there. Is it visible? Is it
Yes, sir.
visible? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the summation of weight and input and the corresponding weight, plus some bias will be there. This bias is there, that is theta k. So theta k is the bias. Theta k at the time t. We can write at the time t. I don't know it is visible or not. Yes, it is visible. Okay. So This is the propagation rule. Okay, so the connections between these units are actually, these are the connections between these units. These connections holds the weight, okay, weight of this input, particular input. The input, this input is actually the output of some other units. It may be possible that one input is the output of another processing unit, and that input will hold a weight. That is the these are the connections between these units. Okay, is that clear? Now we will see what is bias and what is activation. The next thing is activation rule. I have mentioned that this is another aspect of that is activation rule. First, I will talk about this bias. What are these bias? What is this bias actually? So this bias is nothing but it is just a delay. You can say a delay uh, for which the network will trigger later, or there will be a delay in triggering of the network. Okay, this bias will contain some value, and that value will adjust the activation function. Here the activation function fk will be there. Here the activation function fk will be there, and the corresponding output to be generated is yk. This is sk, the propagation rule. Along with this propagation, in this propagation rule, we have the bias, and this bias will make a delay on the activation function. Okay, that will uh, uh, happen some delay in the triggering of the network. So what is this triggering term? I have used this triggering term. What does it mean actually? When you are touching any surface, what I mentioned in last class, you are touching any hot surface at a certain time, you can tolerate that temperature, but after few seconds, when it is until you can tolerate the temperature, you will remove your hand. That point, that certain time, for that point, this is the activation function you can consider while comparing with artificial neural network. The moment when you are removing your hand, that means uh, the function is triggered. That time your network is triggered. That time it will give you a response that remove your hand, and that time you are removing your hand. But this bias will give the values, and this bias will make some delays there. That means you are touching the surface, you are feeling this is very hot, but you are still you have touched that particular surface. But after some points, the activation function will be triggered, then and then that time you will remove your hand. Okay, so this is how it works actually. This activation function is fk. It is depending on this propagation rule, and this propagation rule is holding a bias. Okay, so from here we can define what is activation function actually. What is activation function, or what the activation rule? I'll talk about this rule and function now. So this activation function, if I mention this activation function, what is this? This activation function is something where you have some values and some rules, and that rule will tell you that this is the time to trigger it out. Okay, this is activation function. Where the same example, when your function is being matching with the values that are, suppose if I say, if this uh, a loop condition, when your x value will be 10, at that time your loop will be terminated. Okay, that means you have mentioned that if x is equals to 10, and that time your loop will be terminated. At that case, at that time you will mention some conditions break. Okay, so this is the condition. Suppose this is if you compare it with neural network, this is your activation function. When the activation function will reach to the value of the value 10, that time it will be terminated. And the termination in neural network, it is called as triggered. It will be triggered. Okay. So this is how activation function works along with the bias. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, here we have an output yk. Okay, we have an output yk. Now this activation rule or the output rule, this activation rule or we can say output rule. This what does it mean actually? We need a rule. Basically, we need a rule which will give the effect of total input on the activation unit. This is activation unit. In this activation unit, it will give a effect of the total inputs. The inputs that are coming from the outside to the network. Based on this input, this activation, there will be some rule in the activation unit that will generate some effects. That means some response. So that for that we need a function, and this function is known as we define it as or we determine it as f, and the unit is k. That is why f of k, fk I have written it here. So this fk is nothing but it is uh, taking the propagation rule and it is taking the output, previous output. That means this yk. So our new yk or will be something like that. This new yk is new, uh, suppose yk is t plus 1. For that it will be sk, it will be sk and the previous yk. Okay, for time t. Okay, this will be our activation function here. So what I can say that from here, this output unit, when I am moving to the next iteration, you can say next iteration, this activation function will take the input, will take the propagation rule and the previous output at time t, and it will, the activation function will update itself. Okay, so at time yk t plus 1 time, the activation function, it has been already updated using this previous output and the propagation rule. At time t plus 2, at that time what it will happen, at plus 2, that time it will take the propagation rule of t plus 1 and the output of yk t plus 1. This is how it is updating, and it is a non-decreasing function. Okay, so these terminologies, some terminologies are there. We'll discuss all these terminology.